Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on automatically record meeting in Zoom. To begin, open Zoom in your web browser and go to the Zoom homepage. This is where you can access your account settings and manage different meeting preferences. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoom account before continuing, since recording settings are tied to the account you're currently using. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on My Account. This will take you into the main account area, where Zoom keeps your personal settings, preferences, and meeting controls. If you don't immediately see the option you're looking for, give the page a moment to fully load. After that, click on Settings. This section is where Zoom lets you customize how meetings behave, including security options, audio settings, and recording preferences. It's a good place to become familiar with if you plan to host meetings regularly, because many important controls are managed here. Next, find and click on the Recording tab. This area contains the settings related to how meetings are recorded. Depending on your account type or permissions, you may see a range of recording-related options here. For example, some users may have additional choices for local or cloud recording, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing specifically on automatic recording. Now locate the automatic recording toggle button and click it to turn it on. Once enabled, Zoom will automatically begin recording your meetings when they start, based on the available recording method for your account. This can be especially helpful if you don't want to worry about remembering to press record manually each time you host a meeting. As a quick tip, after turning this setting on, it's a good idea to double check whether your meetings will be saved locally or to the cloud, depending on your Zoom plan and available options. That way you'll know exactly where to find your recordings afterward. Also, keep in mind that recording meetings may require informing participants, depending on your workplace policies or local regulations. And that's it. You've successfully turned on automatic recording in Zoom. With this setting enabled, your future meetings can be captured automatically, helping you save time and avoid missing important conversations.